Hi again, this is Loai with you. This is slide number 10. I did the necessary. I duplicated slide 10 for the animation and slide 10 for the image. Now for this slide, I want to create two blocks, one coming from up and one coming from down, and they will slam in the middle. Instead of creating a solid, I can go back and use the solids that have been already created. Of course, they have no animations and they have no adjustment or anything. So I will take solid layer 1 and solid layer 2. Fine. What I want is solid layer 1 to be half the screen. So I will remove the constraint and make it 50%. That I brought in the scale by pressing S. And the second layer also the same. I will bring S for scale and remove the constraint and give it 50%. Now, one of the layers, let's say the top one, I want to align it to the composition on top. And the second layer, I want to align it to the composition on bottom. So I have the two of them. Now I can start animating. I will come to the 1 second as usual. I will open P for position and for the second one also P. I will keyframe both of them at 1 second. Go back to the beginning. Hold the top one and take it up. Very fine. And hold the lower one and take it down. Here you are. Now you have a very simple animation. They slam down. Okay, I will take the image now and duplicate it. I will put one for each layer. So the first image will track matte with the first layer, fine. And the second image will track matte with the second layer. Here you are. Oh, we need to take the upper layer a bit up in the beginning. A bit, here you are. Fine. Let's play the animation. They slam down together. Let's introduce a blur to the adjustment layer. I will come and look for fast blur. That's an easy blur. It can give us quite some, effect. So in the beginning, I will keyframe the blur for example, a value of 20. That's very fine. Then after that, after 1 second, let's make the blur back to 0. So we have now 2 keyframes. We come to adjustment layer, press U. We see that our blur is going from 20 to 0. Let's see now how the animation looks like. Pretty nice. But let the blur finish later after they slam down. So they settle and then they clear. That's not bad. It's pretty good. We can come to position in both the solid layers. Open the graph. We have the 2 keyframes here. We can give them an easy ease. And it's not bad. It's okay. We can make them faster. For example, that they slam down a bit faster, which will give more time for the blur to settle. And that's it. Let's move on and try to arrange all the slides in the slideshow preview.